What's up guys? So I recently posted a YouTube thumbnail for a local business that I work with, and about 100% of you said you'd like to know how to create one yourself. So I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial how to do that. It's not as complicated as you might think. Let's get right into it. So first things first, you wanna select a thumbnail. I've actually got one from a recent video I did. You can actually just use a screen grab if you want. We're just gonna open that up in Photoshop. We don't really have to get into all these tools here. You really only need one, and that's gonna be your quick selection tool. So you're just gonna select that, and then you're gonna trace inside of whatever it is that you want to have that effect. So we're just gonna hold down on our mouse and trace around my body, staying inside the lines here. It doesn't have to be perfect. We can adjust it afterwards. Get around my hand. So that's pretty good. Now what we wanna do, if we wanna fine tune this, is on a Mac, we'll hold down Option, or if you're on a PC, you'll hold down Alt. And then you're just gonna trace out of the areas that you don't want selected. So we're gonna go around my hand here, make sure all that's unselected, get off the chair. So that looks pretty good. Now all we wanna do is hit Command C, that's gonna copy our selection, and then we're gonna hit Command V, that's gonna paste it into a new layer. So if we go over here and we click this little eye, we can see the area we have selected, and that looks pretty good because we're gonna have this nice soft glow around my body, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Now what we wanna do is double click on the layer that we've just created. That's gonna bring up this layer styles tool. And from this window, we can actually do a lot of different things like inner glow, a color overlay. But what we wanna do is the outer glow. We're just gonna click on this. And as you can see, I've already got the glow around my body. So super simple already. Now within this window, we can make adjustments. We can fine tune it. I can change the color, and I think I wanna do red actually. So let's do red, that looks great. And you can adjust the opacity, so if you don't want it as heavy, you can do that. And then you also can adjust the spread, that's gonna widen it out, but I actually like it a little thinner. And then we can contour the edges, make it a little sharper or softer. You can see the changes there. We'll go a little softer there, I like that. So now that we have our image, it looks really great. We just wanna go to File, we're gonna export, and export as a JPEG. Perfect. And put this right on our desktop. Next thing, all we want to do is open up Canva, and then we're just going to select a template. They already have some templates in here which look really good. We'll select that template. We've got our image uploaded, so we'll just drop that in and we'll set this as the background, and then we just adjust our text. I'm going to say this podcast will change the YouTube game. And we can also adjust all these colors. So if I want that to be red, we can do so. I like red. And we'll adjust that one as well. And we can also do an effect on the text, give it a little glow. Boom. And I like to go and drag in some cool emojis. This is a wow emoji I found on pingwing.com. And we just download that and we can drag that in. And yeah, that just really makes it pop off the page. So if you are creating a YouTube channel or just want to do something cool for social media, this is a very simple way to make your images pop. And as you can see, it only took me a couple minutes to do so. Pretty simple. So now you know exactly how you can do this yourself. It only took a few simple steps. I hope that helped you guys if you're into YouTube or just want to make something fun for your personal social media. That's definitely a cool way to do it. But yeah, guys, leave a like, comment, and let me know what else you'd like to see. Peace.